Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to block ads and trackers on websites opened in Safari or other browsers. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the second icon down below. And here you can see in the protection section that the first option is Safari protection, which is free, so you don't need to be a premium member to use this function. If you turn it on by tapping on the button in the right side of the screen, you can block ads and trackers on websites that you open in your browser. So if you go to your home page, you can see that the protection is on. If you want to turn it off, just simply go back to this section and tap on the relevant button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.